And here we have a variable capacitor. I have a bunch of metal sheets that I got from Lowe's. I'm not really sure what they're used for, but they have holes already drilled in them, and I put them all together with spacers in between them. I believe there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, about 9 plates. And then I have this thin sheets of metal here with some plastic cutting boards that I purchased at the dollar store for the dielectric that separates these. And so this part would be the ground. That's why I can touch this part. As you can see, I have about 1 nanofarad here, and I will it's not the easiest thing to tune, but I have these lines measured where it should be about 2 nanofarads. Let's see how exact this thing is. There's about 2 nanofarads, and the next line should be about 3. And you see we have 3. Let's back it up a little bit. About 3. And the last line should be about 4. About 4 nanofarads. And then just about as far as I can go. I get a little bit more. About 5 nanofarads. So here we have an adjustable capacitor, which is about 1 to 5 nanofarads. And here's my first attempt to measure a piece of Galena rock to make a point contact diode, like the cat whiskers. Here I have my multimeter set for the diode setting, and I found a sweet spot on the piece of Galena here. As you can see, this is so sensitive to get it just right, but I got a couple spots that seem to work pretty good. 0.745 volts. 1N34A diode, which I have hooked up right there. That's a typical diode we use in a crystal radio. And there's a reading we got for that. 250. Let's try a 1N4007 diode, which is, I think these are 1000 volt diodes. And here we have the 1N4007 diode, 546. Now I was getting around 7. 0.7, 0.8, and it's really adjustable depending where you put the contact. You can get lower or higher spots on the rock, so that makes it kind of nice. It's just really harder to tune, but it's pretty neat. This one's 547. And here we have a homemade variable inductor hooked up to my LCR meter. Let me show you the readings I get when I pull the slug off. It'll be the lowest readings. Right there, it's 80 microhenries. So let's see what happens when I put the slug in. Okay, 111, 120, 30, 48, 167. Let's put that guy all the way in. So maximum of almost 400, 393 microhenries, all the way down to like 80. So there you have it, variable inductor.